Hello. Well, you're probably wondering why there is a tortilla press sitting here when this video is supposed to be about GOO GONE, or a homemade version of GOO GONE. I have this out here because I bought it at a thrift store and I realized when I opened it that it was sticky. There was some sticky material in there. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but I assumed not, because you usually put parchment paper on both sides before you do put the tortilla in there. So I don't know why it would be sticky. Maybe to hold the paper, I don't know. But I didn't want it sticky. I didn't think it was supposed to be that way. I thought maybe someone had ruined it, and that's why they took it to the thrift store. So I couldn't get that sticky stuff off of there. So what I did, I looked for GOO GONE in the house. I thought I had some, and I do not have it around. So I found this neat do-it-yourself GOO GONE recipe, and I'm about to show you what it is. It's real easy. It's only 2 ingredients. So you get the 2 ingredients are canola oil. You don't have to use canola oil. It can be vegetable oil. It can be olive oil. Any kind of oil will do, but this is what I used. I had canola oil, so I used it. And the other ingredient is baking soda. You do equal parts oil and baking soda. I don't need much because this is probably too much. I don't need that much, but I think that's about equal. Anyways, you make a little paste until it turns into a paste. Add a little bit more. So you make this paste, and then you apply it to whatever you need it on. And you can let it sit a while. I didn't. I just let it sit a minute or two. And then I got a paper towel. And I started rubbing it, but it didn't really need to be rubbed. It just needed to be basically wiped off. But I rubbed it in good. And it, believe it or not, worked. It took off all that film. Get another paper towel here. It took all that sticky residue off. And it did a good job too. It's smooth. So there you go. That's all there is to it. Equal parts of canola oil and baking soda. Good luck.